Oh snap, boys. Look what we just got in. Amazon. I'll show you guys what's in this in a second. All right, well, I guess you guys are wondering what's in the boxes, right? Well, before we get to that, I just want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. But here we go. Got the boxes upstairs with the help of Kai. Right now, I'm actually just waiting on my buddy Josh to get here. I'm sure I probably gave this away in the title, but we just got some computer parts because we are going to upgrade my very tired unit here. Well, either way, I'm gonna do a little in-depth computer build, and we'll see how this turns out. So yeah. All right. Well, Josh just got here. I don't know what I was about to say. Hey, Josh. And yeah, we're about to get to unboxing. So I'm gonna grab some scissors and open these boxes. Let's see what we got. All right. So I guess we'll start with the smaller box. Pretty sure I know what's in this. At least what would make sense to be in this. Remember, people, cut away from yourself, not towards yourself. Do not do what I do. It is wrong. OSHA will find you. Alright, we got the motherboard, it looks like, here. Whoop. Ooh. Alright, so we got that. What else we got? And got my RGB,
yeah, buddy.
RGB RAM. Yeah, I can't talk. All right, big box. Let's get to this fun stuff, right? Oh. This should only be one thing. I wasn't expecting the box to be this big. But we got a new case to replace my dinosaur. Well, pause. Josh is gonna have to get that out. That's not happening. Oh, another box. I didn't know. All right, let's see what we got. Got something wrapped in plastic.
Oh, snap.
Downsize? Yeah, considerable downsize. Going from this, hold on a moment, or going to this, to, wait, do that afterwards. From this. I don't know if you guys can see, literally look at the size. God. But anyway, most importantly, besides the case, we're also going from, I'm gonna have to refer to Josh from this, but for the CPU, we're going from a 2500 to a 8350.
Yes.
To an 8350, and for RAM, we're going from DDR3 to DDR4, so that should help. Yeah, so with all this,
1600 to 3200.
Big deal.
On the RAM.
So with this should definitely help a lot with making editing a whole lot easier, and also playing a Seto. So we're gonna open this stuff further, and then we'll start taking apart the old one. All right, well, speaking of Seto, I was just editing this and just figured I'd kind of chime in on this. But Josh the guy who helped me build my PC, of course, has a Discord, Slapex Drifting. Also has 3 servers running all the time. So if you guys ever want to get doors, I'll have the link for the Discord in the bio below. So you guys should check that out. And I'll also have the link to all of the products used in this video. So also check those out as well. Now I'm going to send you guys back to the video. All right, so we just got right to it. Took the front glass, well, side glass off, and the front glass as well, actually. And now we're about to take out the, what is this? The MSI Z390A Pro. I'm gonna have everything, all the links to all the products that I'm using in the description. Here we go.
Dang.
What?
Nothing.
All right, guys, just a quick update. So Josh got the motherboard. Can you shine a flashlight in there for me? Got that all mounted up inside the case, and now we are starting to take everything out of the old one, the GPU and
Cooler.
Is that it? Oh, the hard drive and the power supply. So yeah,
SSD and a hard drive in there.
Yeah, I got one SSD for the boot and 1 terabyte hard drive. So 512 and 1 terabyte. But either way, we're gonna basically gut this thing, and yeah, and then I'll give you guys an update. All right, so we got the my 1060 6 gig out. I need to get the adapter so that I can mount it vertically, because it actually looks pretty badass. I didn't know it looked like that, because I always see it from horizontal. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, side note, I desperately need to get some compressed air. But we're gonna keep working on this and get back to you. We're gonna open up the RAM and get everything else out of this. Well, one more part robbed. It's alright, it's going for a good cause. This thing's looking more and more pathetic over here.
But this thing is looking less pathetic.
This is true, this is true. Keep going.
Looking fresh to death.
big moment, guys. Big moment. Yep. Can't see. That's the old one.
That's where she goes.
And where's the replacement? It's like some iron and crap here, bro.
And we got 2 little notches there. You gonna line up with it? That's it.
And just like that, a 6th generation jump. Crazy. Alright, I kind of missed my little unboxing of my Ram, but check these things out. They're RGB and everything, so once everything's all hooked up, it should look pretty sick. But right now, we're just trying to figure out how to get my cooler situated and fit properly. And then after that, we just gotta get the SSD plugged up and the hard drive plugged up, and we are good for a test run, I think. Well, just about. Yeah, kind of assemble everything and then test it. So excited about that. All right, definitely just made some big strides here. We're home stretch right now, but here we are. Lighting's really bad. I'll probably definitely get some better stuff in the morning. But either way, like I said, we just gotta put the hard drives in, put the covers on, and
Put the RGB fans up.
oh yeah.
That's it.
All right, guys. Well, I'm trying to edit this video about the new PC build. We actually got it done. A little disappointed because we couldn't get the RGB fans to work properly. Right now, they're only stuck on wire. But either way, let me go ahead and show you guys the finished product. All right, here you go. Good news is all 6 fans do actually work, and they all light up. I'm actually pretty happy with this MuseTech case, besides the fact that I can't get my RGBs to work properly. But we were able to get my water cooler in and everything. I actually need to chuck the 2 fans on the back of that. And besides that, this thing's basically kind of done. So yeah,